Hello, radio hobbyists and random YouTubers out there. Today I'm looking at a new digital mode that has just come out of beta in the software and is now officially released. Of course, I'm talking about FT4. So what exactly is FT4? Introduction. FT4 is an experimental digital mode designed specifically for radio contesting, like I said before. Like FT8, it uses fixed-length transmissions, structured messages with formats optimized for minimal QSOs, and strong forward error correction. Transmit-receive sequences are 6 seconds long. That makes FT4 2.5 times faster than FT8, which is already the fastest. Here's my ICOM 7300 running FT8. Let's have a listen. Not a whole lot of activity. But people are very new to this mode at this time. The official release of WSJT-X, I think, was yesterday or maybe today. Anyway, I'll show you my first contact on my screen. Here's my setup over here. So I use my laptop and I've got PSK reporter set above. Here's WSJT-X version 2.1.0. So let's go to the screen recording I did. Canary Islands. That's where he was, in the Canary Islands. So double click on him and see what happens, right? First time. And there I got him. He's coming back to me. So let's just see how this plays out. Wonder if it's the same as FT8. I don't know. It's on auto sequence, so it should really just hopefully, yeah, here we go. What's gonna happen? Okay, I had to send the report twice. And there we are. We got him. I'm going to put some information down below of where you can download this software and read up about it. I definitely suggest the Facebook group that I linked to down below. I found some very good files in their file section, so look for that. Other than that, I'm going to keep trying this mode, and if I come up with something great, I'll let you know on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, maybe hit the subscribe button. You might want to see what I've got coming up. Anyway, 73.